Okay, so gold outlook, and today's Friday. What can we expect next week or for the coming hours na natitira sa ating chart, no? And yun nga, no? So ito, this is a consolidation while we are waiting for the CPI. Yan. Okay, and this one is when the ceasefire agreement becomes choppy. Yan. There's a lot of bombings happening despite the ceasefire, and that's what we're uh, looking at. Okay, yung binabantay natin. So with this, what can we expect with gold? Okay, so we are at that 4 hour time frame. Itong leg up na to. This was when the ceasefire was announced, and then it becomes choppy, yan, due to the CPI high impact news, no? Yan, hinihintay. And then when the actual data was released, yan, umangat si gold kasi it's a weak US data from there. Okay. And then right now, nauntog na naman siya sa resistance level, which is 4.8. So these are the key levels, 4.8. And from here, we can expect a range bound trading. Yan. And then, okay. So there's no clear trend yet. So we can just trade it in both ways. So if this if this trend line and nabasag niya, then we can expect that it may go back up sa 4,800. And the same thing here, no? And it's still on the downtrend. And pag nagtuloy yan, we can expect that it could go back sa 4,700. Okay? And other key levels, and yan, oh, yan 4.7 na yan is a major support area. Yan. And with the 4,800 naman is it's a major resistance area, no? So talagang dyan talaga binabantayan ng mga sellers. Yan. Okay, so there's no clear trend yet. It's a break. If there's a break on either side, then that's the prevailing trend. So we're watching at 4,700. What we want to do is that we buy here at 4,700, and sell here at 4,800. And also we have a signal here right now sa Telegram community natin about selling here, no? And so far, night niya naman yung TP3, no? Which is the 4,730. Yeah. So again, I just look at these key levels, and so dyan natin inabang yung TP natin, no? 4,730. As you can see, it was a previous support broken out, then dyan lang talaga siya bumabangga, and that's where the breakout happened. Okay? And my confluence here from this move, from this signal 4759, it's because of this trend line. Yan. Yan. Yung upper trend line ng channel natin. So that's the confluence. Okay? 4759. And ang SL natin medyo maluwag-luwag at 4770. Okay? So that gave us 2.61 risk to reward ratio. So very good move, no? So with just one move na yan, okay na, pwede na for the whole day. All right? So again, we are in a wait and see for now since okay na tayo sa signal natin at 475 now down to 4730, okay na, goods na. And then from here, what you want to see is a break from either side. Okay? So, pero we are actually looking at the sell side because of the choppy na ceasefire agreement, no. So despite the ceasefire agreement, the 2 week ceasefire agreement, meron pa ring mga bombings na nangyayari, and it's not really good. So oil might spike up, and then magtuloy-tuloy maging factor na naman siya, no. So let's take a look. Oil is now back at 99. No, it went down from 116 down to 92, but now back at 99. So medyo malaki na rin yung balik niya. And the rest of the metals are in red. Okay? And also other rare earth. Okay. So that's why we are at the sell side right now. So we want to see some more downside here before we start buying at around 4,700. Okay, as long as this trend line ay hindi na break, yan, as long as na hindi siya na break, then we can expect some more downside movement. Yan, so bumabalik siya pero it may go down. Yan. Go. Okay, so again, unless it's broken out here, then we continue to sell here. And that's it